Hi, I'm Dr. Ross Ramsey, your new president and CEO of Scheurer Health, and I'm excited to lead the organization into its new chapter in its 75-plus year history. Over the past 75-plus years, we've done a great job taking care of people in our community, focusing on great quality healthcare. That's what's made us famous, and we're going to continue to do that, and so much more. As CEO, I really have three goals that we're focused on: people, service, and quality. We've done a great job in these three areas over our past 75 plus years and continue to do so over the next 75 plus years. When we look at people, we focus on what we call the Scheurer way. It's our way to ensure that we take care of our employees and create a culture that cultivates a great patient and employee experience. When we look at service, we look at phenomenal services that we offer to our community. We also look at continuing to expand those services so that people are able to get their healthcare needs met here in the community without having to travel out of our area to do so. We're even adding ophthalmology here in the next coming months to help meet those needs, and are continuing to look at what other areas we could continue to serve our communities. The third area of focus is quality. As a physician, I understand quality is of utmost importance in healthcare. Quality is what drives everything as both a provider and a patient. Receiving high-quality healthcare is something we've done for years here at Scheurer and will continue to do. When you walk in the door, you want to make sure you're receiving the highest quality healthcare. While it's presumed that quality is high everywhere in America for healthcare, that's not always the case, but we're here at Scheurer to ensure that that is. Going forward, we look to maintain our high quality standards that we have and grow areas that are nothing but high quality. There are a lot of reasons why I decided to take this career path. Healthcare has really transformed over the last number of years, and it's been amplified over the last few with COVID. There's been a big transition in leadership in America where a lot of physician leaders are really taking the reins of different organizations. No one knows better how business decisions impact what decisions are made at the bedside than a healthcare provider. Being one of those providers, I've seen the transition over the last number of years and the impact it makes for patients. I want to be able to help make decisions that help patients have the best experience and care possible, and make sure that it's not big business making decisions for patients when it's really the care of the patient that matters the most. We want to keep healthcare local, and I want to make sure that we continue to do so. And by stepping into this role, I'm able to make sure that our communities are able to have local healthcare that is driven with the patient in mind. This principle has been in the mindset of our administration ever since the creation of the hospital in 1945 by Dr. Scheurer, and carried on with Art Woelke, Dwight Gascho, Terry Lerash, and now myself. And I look forward to continuing the mindset and principle of having a locally owned, locally based health system here in our community for years to come. I've spent a number of years, and large portion of my life, training to be a physician. I will continue to see patients at my clinic in Elkton, along with the team of providers there that see patients on a daily basis. I look forward to continuing to serve my patients and the community, both as a physician and as the hospital CEO. I'm going to spend time in both locations. I'll be here on the hospital grounds daily, and also will be seeing patients for portions of the days in Elkton as well. I have two great nurse practitioners that have worked with me for a number of years in Elkton, Joanna Matthews and Yvette Scharf, and they'll continue to work with me and help as a team to take care of all of our patients at the clinic in Elkton. It doesn't matter where you go in our organization, we make a difference on a daily basis. Healthcare can sometimes be very simple. If you get down to it, it might be a clean bed and getting someone some medications to help them get over an illness that they're dealing with. Yet, all of our employees make a difference here on a daily basis by greeting you with a warm smile at the door, helping you down the hall, getting you where you need to go. All of those things make a large difference in your care so that you have the best outcomes with the highest quality care possible. Outside of work, I like to do a number of different things. I like to exercise, I like to travel, I like to spend time with my family doing local community events. I like to explore the world and enjoy life. That's why we want people to be healthy, so they can do those things too. I grew up in this community and love being a part of the local community. So if you see me out at the farmer's market or you see me in Welt's Meat Market, stop and say hi. If you see me on my Peloton, give me a high five. I would love to get the chance to talk with you and know you better so that we can make sure that we're best serving you and your family. Scheurer here is a large organization in our community. In our county, we're the largest service employer of about 500 individuals, and the beauty of a locally owned, community-based health system is that all the dollars generated are paid in local salaries, and all that money goes right back into our local communities where we are. It's not going off across the country or to a large metropolitan office headquarters. It's staying right here in our community. All my life I've seen the importance of money staying local, and we're continuing to do that here at Scheurer. There are a lot of unknowns right now in healthcare, yet it is my goal to ensure that the future of our organization is strong so that we can take care of you and our community well into the future. I'm excited by the honor to be the new president and CEO of Scheurer Health. I'm excited to lead our organization forward and really look forward to walking alongside all those in our organization to best serve the community. I'd love to get to know all of you better and look forward to the years to come here at Scheurer.